here it is.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe it.
Yep.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
You're very welcome.
Yeah.
Just look at all his stuff. It's like a time capsule. These guys' notes.
Yeah.
Pretty much untouched since he left for college. Wow. Thought you'd be able to help us clean it up.
Of course.
Before we turn it into a guest room?
I'm so happy to. Is this his trophies?
Yeah. He loved playing dodgeball.
I just love that about him so much. I mean, he really is so sentimental. It makes sense that he'd keep something like this.
Yeah.
My little man. Are these dominoes?
Oh, yeah.
What a little weirdo.
He didn't particularly like playing video games, so.
He loved board games. Go figure.
Oh my gosh. All these things I didn't know about him, and I love them so much. Oh my gosh. No way. Is this his hoodie?
Yeah.
Yeah. One of the few things he left behind.
Oh my goodness. You don't think he'd mind if I just took this with me, right?
No, not at all. It's yours. Thank you again for helping us.
Of course. Oh, that reminds me. So, why didn't you just ask Nick to help clean up?
Oh, well, see, Nick can be a little sentimental. And
I think very sentimental.
okay.
It broke his heart that we're doing this, and yeah.
That makes complete sense.
Plus, we really wanted you to see it before the remodel.
See,
A
we're
little time capsule of who Nick was.
yeah.
Oh my gosh. You guys are such good parents. That's what I love about you.
Oh, we love so much about you too.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, wait. Does he have records? Can I go?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, our little DJ.
Oh my goodness. I never knew he was such a hamster.
Oh, he has a little bit of everything in there.
Take a peek.
Oh my gosh.
It's one of his favorite.
Really? That's just so crazy. I mean, I think he just never told me because he was embarrassed.
Yeah.
That's Nick.
Thank you again so much.
No, thank you.
Welcome.
I just wish that I met him sooner.
Well, we are so happy that you are our daughter-in-law.
So happy.
Well, I'm so happy that you're my in-laws. And that we're just gonna be one big family.
We gotta admit, we love everything about you.
Yes.
Right?
You're an intelligent woman.
So attractive. I mean, this face is just so cute.
Your little dimples.
I like your hair.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, if I didn't know any better, I'd think that you guys were hitting on me.
Oh.
This is silly, right?
Would it though?
What?
I mean,
You're a gorgeous, attractive woman.
if we were hitting on you, would that be like the end of the world?
No, but I mean, like, I'm married to your son and all.